G'day and welcome to ClientPro. Today we're going to have a quick look at the system, a bit of a quick overview and gain a bit of understanding about what the system does and how it works. On the left hand side here we can see the menu with all the different available options that manage clients, shift logs, report incidents, medication, expenses, view reports. So here we have those. We have a quick notes area, a bit of a to-do list, importing and exporting data, reports, system check. And here at the bottom, probably one of the first things you should read when you open this is the frequently asked questions and help. So this is worthwhile spending a couple of minutes on. So getting started, how do I add my first client? Click the clients in the sidebar, then the plus, and add the new client button. Fill it in, at least the first and last names, required fields, and click Save Client. Is my data saved automatically? Yes. ClientPro auto saves every 30 seconds. You'll see auto saved at the bottom of the sidebar on the left hand side. You'll also see a manual save anytime with a Ctrl S, or so it just carries on. Where your data is stored, I'm not going to read all of these out. I'm just going to stop and let you have a quick look. You can pause it and read it at your own pace. Daily expenses, how it works, a little bit of answers to the frequently asked questions. Search and find, how do you search through the records? So we have that as well. Backup and export, well this is very important, so I'd spend a bit of time getting familiar with that. It's very easy to back up and restore, and very important to do as well, probably twice a week or however many times you need to, but once you get a few clients in there it pays to have more than one copy of files saved, and just to regularly save your information. And print out the forms as well, so you not only do you have a copy on the computer or on your phone or your tablet, but also a printed version. How do I get printed reports? Can I print just one of the client records? And the answer is yes. And it also has keyboard shortcuts. So a couple of keyboard shortcuts there, how to save, export and backup, and clicking 1 to 9, Control 1 to 9, navigate between the sections, and escape. As you use these you'll become more familiar and it'll become second nature to you, and you'll really be able to fly through this using the shortcut keys. Privacy and security, once again I'll just let you read through that at your leisure. And tips and best practices, and once again just read through that, have a quick gain some understanding and get familiar with it. It is actually worthwhile just downloading the trial version and having a play with it. You can't break it, and just get familiar with it and see if it meets your needs. It's been well designed in Australia for Australians, so it covers a lot of the things that are required for the NDIS type of work, or working in aged care, or even for occupational therapists. And the dashboard's quite handy. We get a bit of information a week at a glance, and notes, and there's a fair bit to understand, but just working your way through it one thing after another, you'll get some understanding. And I think for the price of a tank of gas, this is a fantastic opportunity to get on top of your paperwork and to keep it under control. And you don't need internet, you don't need the cloud, or you don't have to pay monthly for it. It's a one-off cost. So in that sort of situation it's worth its weight in gold, if you ask me. But anyway, that's just a quick overview, something to get a basic understanding of. There will be individual teachings on how to add clients and all the rest of it along the way. And we have the night mode too, which is really good for, you know, if you're working later on and you've got a bit of tired eyes, that type of thing. But anyway, that's the overview. So I suggest try the trial version and get to know it, and then jump on board. I don't think you'll find anything like this for the price range and the security that you get with it. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next training session.